Good afternoon to all. My name is Subhadarshini Kara from Group 3 6M etc. and my project name is IoT based vehicle tracking system. Here is the contents: introduction, components required, Arduino module, GPS and GSM module, block diagram, circuit diagram, working principle, advantages, disadvantages, application, conclusion and reference. Here is the introduction. It is the system used to determine the location of a object or person. Modern vehicle tracking system uses GPS technology to monitor and locate our vehicle anywhere on earth. The vehicle tracking system is fitted inside the vehicle that send real-time location, and data can be sent by text message stored, which can be used for analysis in future. This system connects a series of satellites to determine the location. It uses the position of 3 or more satellites from the Global Navigation Satellite System and its distance to determine latitude and longitude. Here is the component required: Arduino module, GSM module, GPS module, LCD display, battery, SIM card, switch and connecting wires. Arduino module. In this system we used Arduino UNO. Arduino UNO is a microcontroller board based on the ATME GA328P microcontroller. Here Arduino UNO receives data from GPS module and send it to mobile by GSM module. GPS module. The Global Positioning System is a satellite based navigation system that provides location and time information. A GPS receiver calculates its position by using time and the signal sent by satellites. GPS module contain tiny processors and antennas that directly receive data sent by satellites. GSM module. In this system we use GSM module, that is SIM900A. SIM900A GSM module is the smallest and cheapest module for GPRS or GSM communication. It makes vehicle tracking system to be wireless. It collects data from GPS module and send it to mobile by text message. Here is the block diagram and here is the circuit diagram and here is the working principle. It uses global positioning system to know location of vehicle or object. The tracker uses a processor called trilateration, which uses the position of 3 or more satellites from the Global Navigation Satellite System network and its distance from them to determine latitude, longitude, elevation and time. The location that is generated by GPS module is then sent to GSM module by the help of Arduino UNO module. Then the data is transmitted by using cellular network or GSM network to mobile phone. Now when we call the number of SIM card inside the GSM module, then we get a text message. Text message contains latitude and longitude of our location. Advantages: ability to access location from anywhere at any time on any device. Prevent vehicle from thefts. Improved communication between connected electronic devices. Improve situational awareness. Track behavior for real-time marketing. Disadvantages: security and privacy. Keeping the data gathered and transmitted by IoT device is challenging as they evolve and expand in use. Technical complexity. Connectivity and power dependence. time consuming and expensive to implement. Here is the application. Preventing vehicles theft, mapping and surveying, tracking for law enforcement, keeping watch on elderly people, military and civil aviation, public transport monitoring like taxi services, bus services, emergency vehicle location. Conclusion. The most essential thing in today's world is providing security to the public and private vehicles. So, vehicles tracking system is proposed to locate the exact position of the vehicle when it is lost or hidden somewhere. Along with the tracking system, anti-theft system is also developed to provide security. It is mostly applicable in transportation system, military application, public vehicles, etc. Here is the reference. Thank you.